Good morning, dear students. I am Malati, your English teacher for grade 4. And you are watching EduStar online class. Today also, I am going to take a topic from your grammar book. And the topic is Lesson 6 Articles Part 1. Already, you have some knowledge on this topic. So first, let us warm up and then we will go in detail. Take your grammar book and turn to page 27. Let us do the warm-up exercise. Insert a or an in these blanks. The first one, dash, important question. Here, the word important starts with a vowel letter I. So, we should write an. And the answer is an important question. The second one, dash, yellow dress. Here, the word yellow starts with the consonant letter Y. So, we should write a before yellow. So, the answer is a yellow dress. The third one, dash, good school. Here also, the word good starts with a consonant letter G. So, we should write a before good. So, it is a good school. The fourth one, dash, elder brother. Here the word starts with the vowel letter E. So, we should write an before the letter. The answer is an elder brother. The fifth one, dash, private hospital. Here, the word starts with the consonant letter P. So, we should write a. The answer is a private hospital. Now, the last word, dash, long time ago. Here also, the word long starts with the consonant letter L. So, we should write a and we get a long time ago. Now, let us learn the topic in detail. At the end of this video, you will have a better knowledge on the proper usage of articles. We basically know that a, an, and the are articles. These are like brothers, and all three brothers like to point out the nouns. These articles are written before a noun and it modifies the noun. They give more information about nouns. That is, they function like adjectives in the sentence. These articles a, an, and the are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let us look into that. Articles are categorized into two different types based on their usage: definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the comes under definite article because it shows uniqueness or specific things. Articles a and an comes under indefinite articles as it does not show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. In this video, we will learn about indefinite articles a and an. like twin brothers who like to point out at singular nouns only. Not only singular, but singular countable nouns. We say a noun is countable when we can count it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When we talk about one person, one place, one animal, and one thing, we usually use a and an. Let us learn this in detail with examples. Though they are twins, they both have different hobbies. The article an likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sounds. So now let us see the usage of the article an. We know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and out of these, the 5 letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. When a word starts with the vowel or specifically vowel sound, we use an before such words. So far, you have learnt that we should write a before consonant and an before vowel letters. But now we should learn based on the sounds of the letters, because the usage of articles is based on the sound of the letters. For example, the word engine starts with the vowel letter E and has a vowel sound A. So, we use an before this word and say an engine. Let's take another example, alarm clock. Here, the word alarm starts with the vowel letter A and has a vowel sound A. So, we use an before this word and say an alarm clock. Let's take another word, umbrella. Here, the word umbrella starts with the vowel letter U and has the vowel sound A. So, we should add an before this word and we say an umbrella. Sometimes a word may begin with a consonant letter, but we use the article an before it. Do you know why this happens? Let's see. Take the word R. Here, the word starts with the consonant letter H. And here, H is silent. We don't say hour. We say R. The first sound is an ow sound, which is a vowel sound. So we add the article an before R and say an R. Let me take one more example, honest. Here we don't pronounce the word as honest. We say honest. That means it has an ow sound in the beginning. So we should write an before this and say an honest. One more example. MA in English. This means Master of Arts in English. The short form is written as MA English. Here, M starts with a sound, which is a vowel sound. So, we should write the article an before the word and say as an MA in English. The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. So now let us see the usage of the article A. The remaining letters of the English alphabet other than A, E, I, O and U are called consonants. When a word starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use a before such words. Let me explain you this with an example. Let's take the word pan. Here, the word pan starts with the consonant letter P and has the consonant sound P. So, we use the article a before this and say a pan. Let's take another example. The word comb. Here the word comb starts with the consonant letter C and has the consonant sound K. So, we should add a before this and say a comb. Let me take one more example. Toothbrush. Here the word toothbrush starts with the consonant letter T and has the consonant sound T. And so we should add the article a before this and say a toothbrush. If you observe carefully, you will see that the use of the articles a or an depends on the opening sound of the word and not on the actual letter with which it begins. Sometimes a word may begin with a vowel letter, but we use the article a before it. Let's see the reason behind it with some examples. Let's take the word unicorn. Here, we don't pronounce with the vowel sound of U, that is a. We don't say unicorn, but here we take the name of the letter U and pronounce as unicorn, which is the sound of the consonant letter Y. So we write the article a before unicorn and say a unicorn. Let me explain with one more word, European. Though the word starts with the vowel letter E, we don't pronounce European. That is, with the sound of the vowel letter E. We say European, which has the sound of the consonant letter Y. So, we write the article a before European. Now, let us complete the book exercise. Take your grammar book and turn to page 28. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with a or an and sing the following song. First, write down the answers and then later we will sing the song. Come on, let's sing the song. Have you ever? Have you ever seen a carrot, an orange crunchy carrot? Have you ever seen a carrot pulled out of the ground? Have you ever seen an apple, a red or green apple? Have you ever seen an apple hanging from a branch? Have you ever seen an orange, a round juicy orange? Have you seen an orange growing high on a tree? Have you ever seen a corn cob, a ripe yellow corn cob? Have you ever seen a corn cob growing on a strong stem? Now, turn to page 29, exercise B. Complete the following sentences with a or an. Before writing the exercises, read the book once or twice and then start. Check the answers for lesson 5, exercise D and E. Complete these two exercises A and B and send through email. See you in the next video. Bye.